Welcome to our ultimate guide on transforming your home for winter. As the chilly months approach, it's time to make your living space warm, inviting, and ready for all the seasonal fun. In this video, we shall share essential tips, clever ideas, and budget friendly tricks to create a cozy, winter ready home that you will love spending time in. From enhancing warmth and comfort to festive decorating, we have got you covered. Add layered textiles like thick blankets, wool throws, and fluffy cushions. These additions not only keep you warm but also add a cozy feel to any room. If you have hard floors, area rugs are must have for keeping your feet warm. Heavier curtains or drapes can insulate your home, keeping the warmth in and the cold out. Look for thermal or blackout options for maximum effectiveness. Create a cozy ambiance, warm lighting, swap out bright, cool lights for softer, warm hued bulbs. Floor lamps, table lamps, and string lights can all add a gentle, comforting glow. Candles are a great way to add warmth and ambience. Choose wintry scents like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla to enhance the cozy atmosphere. If you have a fireplace, make it the focal point of the room. Stock up on firewood and consider adding a fireplace screen or decorative elements like garlands to make it extra inviting. Swap bedding. Layer your bed with flannel sheets, thicker duvets, and extra blankets. Throw in a heated blanket for those extra cold nights. Add soft lighting. Bedside lamps with warm bulbs can make your bedroom feel like a cozy retreat. String lights can also add a magical touch. Waking up on a cold floor is never fun. Add a rug with a bed for warmth and style. Update your kitchen and dining area. Bring in seasonal touches like festive table runners, centerpieces, and warm toned dishes. Think about adding a small hot beverage station with mugs, teas, and cocoa supplies. Warm up the space. If your kitchen feels cold, add some cushioned mats or rugs. Consider a small space heater for added warmth while cooking. Prepare your bathroom for winters. Replace lightweight towels with thicker, warmer options. Consider a heated towel rack for added luxury. Put down a plush bath mat and stock up on seasonal scented candles or diffusers. A small space heater can also keep the bathroom warm and comfortable. Tackle exterior home winterization. Seal windows and doors to keep out drafts. Consider adding weather stripping to any noticeable gaps. Prevent freezing by wrapping outdoor faucets. You can find inexpensive faucet covers to protect against cold weather damage. Decorate your home for winter holidays. Winter is also a time for festive cheer. Adding seasonal decorations like wreaths, garlands, and lights can transform your space into a winter wonderland. Here are tips on creating a holiday look that complements your winter transformation without overwhelming it. Whether it's rustic, traditional, or modern, sticking to theme will create a cohesive and stylish look. Pine cones, twigs, and evergreen branches can add a charming touch. Remember, it's all about creating warmth. Soft lights, cozy fabrics, and layered decor will make your home feel both festive and comfortable. Transforming your home for winter doesn't have to break the bank. We shall provide simple DIY ideas, affordable decor suggestions, and cost saving tips to help you make your home winter ready without overspending. We propose existing decor with a winter twist. Add a throw blanket to an armchair or switch up the cushions with winter themed covers. Get creative with DIY decor. Craft paper snowflakes, homemade wreaths, or a centerpiece with pine cones and candles. Look for discounts on winter decor or check out second-hand stores for unique, affordable finds. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you create a warm, inviting space to enjoy all winter long.